Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to join the Brotherhood of Steel in Fallout 1. To begin, you must first locate their hidden bunker, nestled in the far southwestern corner of the Wasteland map. Upon arrival, a vigilant guard will block your path, demanding proof of your capabilities. You cannot simply walk in. You must undertake a perilous quest to demonstrate your value and earn their trust. This initial challenge is crucial for gaining access to their formidable ranks and beginning your journey. Your first true test involves a perilous journey to the Glow, a desolate and highly irradiated crater situated far to the east. This dangerous location holds the key to proving your worth. Your primary objective is to retrieve a crucial holodisk from the remains of a fallen Brotherhood patrol. Be warned, this area is teeming with extreme radiation and formidable robotic adversaries, so prepare thoroughly for the challenges ahead. To survive the Glow, equip yourself with essential radiation protection, like Rad-X and Rad-Away, before you even step inside. You will need to navigate through several treacherous levels of the facility, carefully avoiding or strategically destroying the numerous hostile robots guarding the ruins. Your ultimate prize, the holodisk, awaits you on the 4th level, resting on the body of a fallen paladin. With the holodisk safely in hand, make your way back to the Brotherhood of Steel bunker. Present this vital item to the vigilant guard at the entrance, and your efforts will finally be rewarded with access. Once inside, seek out the head paladin. A brief conversation with this esteemed leader will solidify your place, officially welcoming you into the revered ranks of the Brotherhood.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.